Hunter is all about keeping you cool in your personal space, but doing it with style as well as effectiveness. Now, when you have all of these color options in these bladeless fans, you really are creating something that's almost artistic, but you also have light in these as well, different colored lights that you can use at any time. But you cut the cord. You actually can charge this and take it with you. It only weighs 6 pounds. You can take it with you anywhere you go. The savings on this is huge. It's over $100 in savings, and it's indoor, it's outdoor, Tracy, and this has been the most popular piece from Hunter.
It makes sense. It's that time of year. This is when we're pulling our fans out of the closet, and those fans are dirty. We haven't cleaned them. They've got blades. They've got grates that are full of dust. Enter this. Cut the cord, kept the power. You've got that beautiful design right here. Bladeless technology. LED lights for that accent. Multiple different colors. Soft touch technology, okay? When this is on low, it can run up to 19 hours on a full charge. The way this works is it pulls the air in through this vent. It goes ahead and exits through all of these little vents right here, giving you that beautiful breeze. Oscillates from side to side, comes with a remote control, stands about 2 feet tall, but this is from Hunter. We took something that you loved that had a cord. We cut the cord, we kept the power. So when this is, like I said, is on low, it can run up to 19 hours. When it's on high, up to 4 hours. When it's on turbo, up to 2 hours. Stands about 2 feet tall, pulls the air in from the vent to give you that fresh air, oscillates from side to side, gives you that wonderful remote. So do the things that you always wanted to do, but it was too hot to do. Play games outside with your friends, eat outside, take this to the picnics, take this camping. You can take this down to the lake if you want to, or out by the pool. Like I said, eat out, just enjoy the outdoors.
Right.
Think of all
Also,
the things that
you know,
you
Tracy,
haven't done.
one of the things that I love about this is that it's zone really kind of cooling.
Yep.
So you can start to move that air within whatever zone you are. So you don't have to cool down the whole house. So wouldn't it be nice to turn down the AC, or better yet, possibly even turn it off, and really save some money, and also have that kind of, you know, airflow and movement in these hot, humid days. Now, choose your color, because these are gorgeous. The white might be sold out. If we've got any, there'll be a couple left, and same in that gray. They're almost gone. The black, the denim blue, the lavender, the red, the canyon, the deep teal, all those colors. But the savings is huge, and also don't forget, it's all on Easy Pay and with free shipping. So just go to tsc.ca.